In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create speed ramp transition in Premiere Pro. Already I have these two videos here for this tutorial. The first thing I need to do here is to nest my videos. To nest my video, all I need to do is to right click on my video layers here, click on nest, and then click on OK button here. Boom. And then do the same to the second video here. Right click, go to next, and then click on OK button here. As you can see now, the two videos have been nested already. Next is to expand the track where my video is here, okay, for me to see what I have there, okay. Then right click on the first video here and go down to show clip keyframe, and then navigate to time remapping here and click on speed, okay, and then do the same to the second video here. Right click on it, go down to show clip keyframe, navigate to time remapping here, and then click on speed here, as you can see them now, okay. Next is to define where I want my speed ramp to take place, okay. So here, this is the entire video here, as you can see now, okay. So I will use my play head here to define where I want the speed ramp to appear here, somewhere around here, okay. Next is to select the video layer here and hit this keyframe button here to create our first keyframe here, okay. So I click on the button here, then I have my keyframe here, as you can see it now, okay. Next is to click on this line at the center of my layer here and push it up to a certain level in order to increase the speed in that area, okay. Push it up to something like 900, okay. So next is to open up your keyframe here towards the end of your video here, as you can see, okay. Move it forward, cool, something like this, okay. So let me play this video now to see the increase in speed in this area, okay, towards the end of the video. Let's play now. Cool. As you can see now, cool. So toward the end of the video, there's a little speed, high speed here, okay. Let's play it again. Cool. Then you can close the gap here, because that is what determine the high speed, okay, of that area. So let's play it again. Cool. You can expand it more, okay. Just make that adjustment so that okay. So let's play now. Cool. Let's play it again. Cool. You can see towards the end of the video now, there's a high speed there before the end of that video. So let's play it again to see. Cool. All right. So the next thing you need to do here, you have to smoothen the movement around here, okay. To do that, all you need to do is to select the one of the keyframe here to reveal this full shot to you, and then click on the bottom here and rotate it around in order to smoothen the movement around here, as you can see now. Let's play it again now to see. Cool. Next is to bring in the second video here. Okay, and then determine where you want the speed ramp to appear here. Let's say somewhere here. Okay, so what you need to do next now is to select this layer. Okay, and then hit the keyframe button here in order to have the second keyframe, as you can see now. Okay, and then push this side up to increase the speed of that movement around that area. Okay, push it up to something like 900. Okay, okay, all right, and then open up your your keyframe here. Okay, open it up and push this one forward a little bit. Okay, and then click any one of these to have this feature in order to smoothen this area. Okay, the movement in this area. Okay, so click on it and then rotate it around. Okay, until you have what you want, just like this. Okay, so let's play the video now and see what we have now. Cool. Let's play it again. Cool. Let's play it this third time. Cool. So basically, this is how you can create a speed ramp in Premiere Pro. If you join us lately, feel free to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be informed whenever we upload the new video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.